So I have a really busy life and a family now, and I really, at the beginning, found it hard to figure out how to maintain my healthy lifestyle. So what I did do, and what I currently do now, is I tell my husband, from this time to this time on these days, you are in charge of the baby, you are in charge of the sales calls, of the business, of what we have to do for work. And I'm leaving and I'm working out, and I don't care what's going on during this time. That's my time, because if I don't get that time, I'm not going to be a very nice person to deal with. I'm not going to be my best. I'm not going to be patient. I'm going to be moody. And then the whole family suffers. So I really put my foot down and I set a boundary, and I do not waver on it. I see a lot of women saying, this is my time, but then they waver on it, right? The kids will come and ask them to cook something. The husband will ask a favor of them, right? They're picking up their phone and answering phone calls. Put your phone away. Know what you're going to do in that time. And it can even just be 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes, you're locking yourself in a closet and doing 10 push-ups. You know what I mean? But you have to be a woman of your word. Say you're going to do something. Let everybody else know you're going to do it. Follow through, because everybody in your house is watching you. If you don't take it serious when you say you're going to do it, nobody else will. And they're going to end up sabotaging you without even realizing.